If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on a POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, here's what you can do. First of all, we're gonna go to settings, and of course, if you go to more connectivity options, we can find the airplane mode, which of course, it might sound silly, but sometimes the airplane mode can be activated by accident and we might not be aware of that. So in this case, you want to make sure that it is disabled. Besides that, we have two options in here that are worth checking out. And that is the VPN, of course. So if you use a VPN, this might be the reason why you have issues with the Wi-Fi. Of course, while VPN is great, you might experience some even temporary issues with the VPN connection, so you might want to turn it off, at least for now, to see if that helps. Also, we have a private DNS option. If you made some settings in here, you might want to switch to automatic. So once you switch back to automatic, then we can proceed. If you still have issues with Wi-Fi, then of course now we're gonna go to Wi-Fi settings, and what you can do is you can simply disable Wi-Fi and turn it back on. Simple turn off and turn on can be quite helpful sometimes, and you might be able to immediately connect to your Wi-Fi, and hopefully it starts working again. If it doesn't, for example, if you have been connected to the network, if you have it like available in here, but you cannot really connect to it, if it is possible for you, you can tap on the arrow on the right side, and then in here we should be able to find forget network option. So you can completely forget the network, and then you can try to connect to it again. If you have Wi-Fi QR code and you have trouble with detecting the device, the network, then in that case you can use the QR code icon in the upper right corner, so you can scan the Wi-Fi QR code, which can be very helpful because you don't have to look for the network and you don't have to enter the password. Also, if you don't have the network visible over here and you have been connected to the network in the past, then you can go to additional settings over here. There we go, and then we have manage saved networks, and then you can delete the network in order to try to find it again on this list. There's also the network acceleration menu, where we can find two options that can be very helpful to use on a daily basis. However, there is a slim chance that they can cause some issues. So what you can do is you can disable both of them. So we have switch between networks, which can cause some issues when the phone switches to a different network when it thinks that there is a better network available. And there is also use mobile data to boost speed, which I don't think it actually has the option to interrupt with Wi-Fi, but still, of course, it doesn't hurt to just turn it off, at least for now, to see if that helps. And that is pretty much all in the Wi-Fi settings. We're gonna also go back to more connectivity options, because actually there's one more thing that is worth mentioning, and that is this option over here: reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. Unfortunately, we cannot separate these settings, so if you decide to reset Wi-Fi, you also reset settings for mobile data and Bluetooth, but this can be also quite helpful. So of course you can reset these settings, and then you can go back to Wi-Fi and reconnect to your, or try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Keep in mind that since we removed or reset Bluetooth settings, you will have to pair your Bluetooth device or devices again. And if still you have issues with Wi-Fi, another thing that you can do is you can check if you have issues with Wi-Fi on other devices as well. So if you have like a TV, maybe like a tablet or something, or a computer that uses the same Wi-Fi, then you can check if you have issues with Wi-Fi on those devices as well. If you do, then of course it means that you have a problem with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with Wi-Fi on your phone. But if only your phone is affected, if you have issues with Wi-Fi just on your phone, then in that case, of course, you can try to do these steps that I mentioned, and also you can just simply restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart works as well, just like we did with the Wi-Fi itself. We can turn off and turn on the phone, and hopefully you have no longer any issues with Wi-Fi after that. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.